how to find viral best-selling ClickBank products in 2025 as a beginner if you want to make at least $100 to $500 in profit per day with ClickBank affiliate marketing. Now in this video I'm going to show you what me as a super affiliate making thousands of dollars every single week do to find best-selling products. As you can see, right, if you bought in the past any kind of ClickBank courses, you know that the biggest mistakes every guru is teaching you is to go and search by gravity. Okay, so mean high to low. Yes, it shows you how many people are promoting these certain products, but what you don't know as a newbie is where these sales are coming from, because mostly these kind of products are coming from email marketing. Okay, big super affiliates have huge lists of millions of tens of thousands of people, and yes, they can get away with different weight loss claims, diabetes claims, right? They can get away with that, but you on Facebook ads or Google pay-per-click ads would get shut down or ad account disabled. So you have to be smart about it. You have to be smart who you follow and listen online, right? Let me give you the secret me as a super affiliate used. I would sometimes promote unseen private CPA offers that others like you or like newbies cannot see on ClickBank. I would do that, but in other cases I would find the products with a great upsell take rate, okay? Because I don't care about gravity. What I care is if I put $1 into Google ads or YouTube ads today, can I make $2 or $4 or $5 back in the 24 hours? That's what I care about as an affiliate. Cash in, cash out. That's all it takes. Now, when it comes to ClickBank, right, I would also check earning per click to see how much can I make from different offers, okay? And if I know that there is great enough upsell take rate, meaning people are buying front end product for $37 or $70, and they in the same day they get offered $200 or $300 upsell, of course I will most likely promote the products with a great upsell take rate because I want to make the most money on my ad spend back. Let me show you. Before I go into it, you can reach out to me on my Instagram over here, my WhatsApp, my Facebook Messenger, and email, where I share exactly how I travel to over 69 countries thanks to affiliate marketing, okay? Thanks to being super affiliate. So let's go straight into it. The first thing, my friend, as you watch this video, if you're a beginner in 2025 and you want to make your first $100 or $500 or even $1,000 in a day, yes, it's still possible to do it, but you need to have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step along the way, so you know exactly what is psychology of your market, what is message of the market match, and what emotional state your market is in. Very important, okay? So we have mass market with big pain. So pain has to be big enough. For example, I know everyone is saying let's go to health niche, okay? Health space, dating, love and relationships, and money, okay? Those are, or wealth, those are three big niches, but there are subcategories those niches. For example, in the golf space, in hobby niche, there are people spending thousands of dollars. It's a very rich market. Woodworking space, another one. Then we have subcategories like dental space, like self-help, personal development. So I would look on where people are spending money currently. I did my research. Okay, now I know there is the big enough market and I don't have to worry about competition. Because all you have to do is you have to send traffic to your affiliate link on ClickBank, your affiliate website, pre-sale page. Now, why most of newbies are struggling to make a buck, to make $10, to make $100 a day in profit is because of this. And again, it's not your fault. You're doing everything wrong. Maybe you bought Guru course for 3,000, 4,000 US dollars and now you're stuck. Again, it's not your fault because you don't know what you don't know. As you can see, those are what most people are taught to do. And most people are doing this stuff, which is bullshit. It's outdated. You're only catching up curiosity clickers, meaning people are curious to see what's on the other page, what's on the next page. So they click and they don't buy. And you lost time and you lost money because you don't know what you don't know. You, as an affiliate, your job is to look for buyers' intent. You need to create customers. I'm not competing with other people. No, I know exactly psychology of my market, so I'll create ads that target those kind of audiences. Because let me show you what it happens. Okay, what this does and why this works. Because psychological ad structures resonate emotionally with the audience. Okay, we have great magnetic hooks and also automated follow-up system that turns click into cash. So that's why we use this VH framework, which is you don't have to learn yourself. It's all done for you to make it all work. Okay, very, very important thing. Psychology and core emotional states of your markets. With Google pay-per-click ads, when I run ads on Google, we always look for solution seeking. People go on Google to find solutions to their pains and problems. They have problem, and in order for them to have a solution, to buy a solution, they first of all need to have a problem or need to be aware they have a problem. Problem awareness state, it's called in affiliate marketing psychological terms of running ads. Okay, you need to know which awareness levels is your audience in when you're running ads. For example, have you ever heard about colors, psychology of colors? All these matters when you're running ads, and then you're following some YouTubers blindly where they are selling you AI softwares without telling you that what actually works is knowing psychology of the markets, what emotional states your audience is in, what kind of message to the market match you have to have in order to get the results with ClickBank as a beginner, without showing your face on any camera, without making any YouTube videos. Okay, you can see over here, right, how it works. Let's say you spent $35 today, and because you were smart, you listened to me, you choose the proper product, you got a sale for $216 with upsell take rate, right? So your profit at the end of the day is $181 because you promote products with a great upsell take rate. Okay, that's very important. You can see with my clients, with my students, we work one-on-one. There are people who have wasted months or even 2 years, 3 years trying to make money online on their own, but they didn't do it. Why? Because if you already knew how to make money online, you wouldn't be watching this video. And the reason you don't is because you tried all these other courses, you tried all these magic pills, AI softwares, okay, and it didn't work out. But now, today, as you watch this video, listening to my voice, you know exactly what it takes to get results. Okay, you can see we get it done one-on-one, 30 minutes, 1 hour max in a day to get the campaign on Google or TikTok up and running. You can see over here, right? So now the question is, right? You can keep trying it alone. You can go off this YouTube video. You can watch something else, or you can say enough is enough. It's almost 2026. I deserve better life. I deserve better lifestyle for my family, for my kids, for my spouse, whoever, my parents. Okay, and follow the proven, consistent system that's going to get you results in 2026 to 2025. Okay, why this is the best time to get started with ClickBank is because people are already in the buying mode. It's almost Christmas, end of the year. You could already make $5,000 extra, 3,000 euros, maybe even $10,000 extra. Okay, but it's entirely up to you. Are you willing to take action now, today, as you watch this video? Or are you going to make excuses and procrastinate? Okay, you can reach out to me. Here's my Instagram. If you want to have similar results, let me know. Let's make it happen.